Probably can't see that real well, but it's almost completely full. You get it up there tighter?
Yeah.
It doesn't go that way. You put a leak down in it. See how the leak goes in it?
Yeah. Did you get the other one?
Nope. It's all you, baby. There's a lot of corn in here. You can see the layer here. This is what we did last night before the belt broke. Dried out a little more, and then we did all this. So if we're gonna dump a pile here, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dump a bunch.
This season has been a true test of patience, hard work, and ingenuity. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about teaching our kids the resilience and problem solving that farming demands. When our silage cutter belt first broke, we tried using a replacement made from woven seatbelt-like material, but we quickly realized it had too much give and it was not going to work. So we went back and we fixed the original belt as best we could. We managed to get one load of silage out of that. But of course the fix didn't last long. We had to dig deep, get creative, and find new material to make up the belt ourselves. That's what farm life is about, finding solutions, pushing through setbacks, and working with what you've got. Every challenge on the farm is a chance to teach our kids critical thinking, hands-on skills, and the value of hard work. Farming isn't just a way to make a living, and most of the time it doesn't. It's a way of life that instills purpose, connection to the land, and gratitude for the fruits of our labors. It's a life we're proud to live and the lessons we're grateful to pass on to our kids. Thanks for coming along with us on this silage journey.
So I've compacted it all the way across. Now it's time to cover it up. And went across it about 3 or 4 times actually. So should be good. I'm gonna go park this tractor and come back and cover it up. I forget sometimes to leave a little space between the barn and the tractor. George likes to go between there hauling hay to the horses. So it's been a great day. I'm hoping this silage works really good for us this year. We're going to try to feed these goats all of it, fatten them up, and see if that works. If it does, if it's a process that works good for us, we'll be able to have a lot more goats, which will translate into more money for the goats and be a little more self-sufficient on the farm side, and be able to show profit on that, and it won't be as much of a pain because we'll be able to contain them. So it looks pretty good. There's quite a bit of silage in there. These panels are about 40 inches tall, and so it's probably 8 inches from the top and the back. It comes out. We're good. This is about three full dump truck loads. It's compacted in here. I'm going to pull this back this way and cover it up. Well, and there you have it. All the tires are on, plastic's there, and time for it to cure. I hope you enjoy this. Can't video everything I do, but you get the gist of it. And it's been a lot of fun today. The kids are still out picking squash. So I'm gonna go out and join them. And I'll show you some squash bins if we got enough light. You can see the sun's already down. So, well, hope you enjoyed this. And this is the Wilhelm Way.
Okay, whoa! That's half. Yeah, go down. Just about. That's it.
Well, good evening. Sun's almost ready to go down. We ran out of gas in the Farmall tractor, and we were cutting corn in what we call the tank field. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it was 9 rows, probably on both sides. These are 300 320, 340 foot long rows. And also we trimmed the ends a bit so we could get around. And it filled up the dump truck. So it's a lot more corn, I think, in this field. Let's see here. So we're cutting there. We got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we cut about 12 on this side, 9 on the other. But, excuse me. You can see we got a really pretty good stand. Ruthie, go stand over by that corn. Ruthie's 6'5", and that's our corn is a good 2 foot over her head, 3 foot. So, how tall are you? 5 foot. 5 foot. Oh, well, so it's about 8 foot corn on the big stuff, but it's looking good. Looking good. So this is, we'll have to gather this stuff up that we ran over. It's kind of messing us up here. Sun's just going down. It's been a good day. Got a lot done. Getting this field done, or partly done, is a big step. Ruthie's got an elk hunt going on right now. We went out hunting this morning. Just saw deer. And so Ruthie, come here. Your hand. So Ruthie got stung by a wasp. You can kind of see how it's really swelled up there. She got stung right in the center. Johnny got stung in the belly. There's a lot of wasps, hornets around here. You can see that one right down there.
I almost just grabbed one on the sunflower over there.
Yeah.
Except it was like an actual wasp, not a hornet.
Yeah, they're really sucking up that juice. The corn juice right there. So we got to be careful, because they'll get you. All right, well, I'm going to get that tractor over and start compacting the silage we cut so we can cover it up. So it's been a long day, but it's been a really good day. So hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for your support. And this is the Wilhelm Way. There's a wasp. That's a tarantula wasp, right?
I think so. Seems kind of fat though.
Looking for a tarantula to lay all the eggs on. This gorgeous sunset. Over there, this is such a beautiful sunset I'm looking at.
This is what my husband thinks of my videoing.
It's superb.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so this is our last load of silage. How many days have we been doing it, Ruthie? So today we finished the last of the squash, getting it out of the field, and this is our last load of silage. So we're all feeling a little relieved. It's been a lot of days of work out here, but it is all worth it. John thinks I'm a horrible videographer, which probably not the best, but are you gonna back him in, Ruthie? So Ruthie was the dump truck driver all except for one evening. I got to drive the dump truck. She did a great job. I think by the end she got a little bit more comfortable with it. Look at that. Beautiful silage. And a beautiful girl.
It's very compact. Not even sure if it's going to come out. It's so compact. It's going to come out now. It's starting to come out. Don't get covered in it. I think this makes Farmer John happy. Should you do the other half on the other side? Yeah.